Cancer, one word no one likes to hear or talk about, but the knowledge of this disease needs to be spread among the people. I have had my own personal experiences with cancer. I have had close family and friends be affected by it. And when people are affected by it that are close to you, you begin to develop questions like, what is cancer? What are the different types of cancer? And what are the treatments for cancer? Let's answer these questions one at a time by starting with what is cancer? Cancer is the uncontrolled growth of abnormal cells in the body. This disease is one of the most deadly in the world and can affect any body part. Your feet, your hands, and your head could all be affected by cancer. Now we can learn about the different types of cancer. There are over 100 different types of cancer in the world, but the main four include skin cancer, which occurs most in people of all ages. There are over 2 million people diagnosed each year with skin cancer, and these diagnosed could have been prevented by taking necessary precautions like using sunscreen or avoiding tanning. The next most common is breast cancer. Breast cancer is most commonly found among women, but when it's found in men, it's deadly. The thing about this cancer is there are no known precautions, which makes it even scarier. The next kind of cancer is leukemia. This cancer occurs most commonly in children of all ages. It occurs in the bone and affects the blood cells. The white blood cells start to become produced more than red blood cells. Like breast cancer, there are no known precautions for this kind of cancer. The last most common cancer is lung cancer. The only precaution known is to not smoke tobacco products. This cancer also occurs in middle to older aged people. Now to look at the treatments. There are also over 100 different kinds of treatments for cancer, but there are three main ones that cancer patients use most commonly. The first is chemotherapy. Chemotherapy uses extreme medications to decrease or delay the growth of cancer cells. It is the most common out of all the techniques used. The next is radiation. This uses radioactive waves to decrease the size of a tumor or cancerous lymph node. The last most common is surgery. This is used to take out cancerous lymph nodes or tumors. These treatments help cure the cancer, but they don't always do the job fully. Cancer is a serious disease that needs to be taken care of as soon as it is found, and also needs to be taken very seriously by whoever it is found in or the family members of whoever it is found in. There are more than 100 different types of cancer, but the main four that we learned about are skin cancer, breast cancer, leukemia, and lung cancer. More treatments do exist, but the main three that most cancer patients use is chemotherapy, radiation, and surgery. This disease takes lives daily, so the more prepared the public is, the better we can fight against cancer.